Take command of the road in the 2010 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.